Fine, let's move on. So now indexing is over. Now it comes slicing. What is slicing? Slicing is basically like if you have this whole list. Now what you want to do, you just want to take out a slice of it. So let's say you want Sam John, or you want John Sarah, you want Sarah Karthik, let's say you want Sam John and Sarah. So it is just a slice that you want to take out from that list. How will you take out that part? That we are going to know. Okay, so let's move on to Jupyter Notebook directly, and I'll show you how it actually works. Okay, so I have opened my Jupyter Notebook. Let's take the same example, L3. Now what I'll do, L3. So whenever you are slicing anything, so what you have to do, you have to provide the first index and you have to provide the last index till the element you want, right? Now in between that you need to provide a colon operator, right? So the first one will give you the first index, the last one will give you the last index. But in list it doesn't work like this. If you're providing the last index, so if let's say you want to slice till 30, then you have to give the index number after 30. So if let's take an example, I'll comment it and move on. So L3, and let's say what I want to do, I want to get 10, 20 and 40. Okay, these three I want. I'll say 0, I'll say colon, and I'll say 0, 1, 2, right? But if you can see, it won't go till 40. So your 0 will be counted as the first one, but 2 will not be counted. So the number before it will be counted. So you'll get 10, 20. Now instead, what I'll do, I'll say 0, colon 3. In this case, you can see 10, 20 and 40. Now you are getting 10, 20 and 40. Now let's take another one. I'll say what I want to do, I want to get 20, 40, 30 and 50, all 4 elements. So I'll say first index, now second, third, fourth, fifth. So I'll say 5, right? Another way, let's try this with negative index. Okay, so before negative index, I just want to show you. So if you won't provide anything, over here, and if you won't provide anything over here, so it will print the whole list. Why it will print the whole list? So before colon, all the values, I'll show you why. So L3, let's take 1, and now I am saying that I want to print from first one to the last. So you can give the first one, you do not need to give your last element. So it will print till last. In the same fashion, I want to start from the very beginning and I want to go till 30. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3, instead of 3, we'll give 4, right? Yeah, because if we had given 3, it would have come till 40. Let's print L3 once again. Okay, so you got this. The same way, if we'll provide colon, so that means the first one will be starting from the very beginning, the last one, second one will be ending till the very end, and you will get all the results, right? Now let's try another thing over here. Let's say if I want to start with 2 and I want to end it till 50. Okay, let's try with another one. So I'll say 1 for 20, but I don't want to count it till here. I'll say -1 for 60. We already know that last one is index, negative index. Similar way, so if I'll start with -1, and what I want to do, I want to go till 10, from -1 to -5. You won't get anything because it will go in front only. Okay, because whenever you are providing anything, it will go in front. So how can be what I want to print from 60 to 20. Now what is the way? So I'll show you another way wherein you can do the same thing.